Namaste, my name is Rimantas, I'm yoga teacher, and today I would like to share with you very great news. Here I have malas. It is tool for Japa meditation practice. Japa meditation, it is ancient technique of meditation that we can find in yoga when we chant mantra, and in the same we use mala beads when we chant one mantra. One mantra, one bead. One mantra, one bead. One mantra, one bead. So here I have various malas that are from natural wood, and I would like to share those malas with you. So there are different sizes. It is smaller one. I would say very comfortable. It means very easy and comfortable to switch between different mala beads. I have 3 of them. Then I also have a little bit more bigger ones. It's a little bit bigger bead. You can feel it more strongly, and I would say that it's a kind of medium size. Yes, one mantra, one bead, one mantra, one bead, one mantra, one bead. In all those malas, there are 108 beads, and all of those malas I made by my own hands. It means put it together. Okay. Then I have one more. It's the same medium size, and actually it is, when you take this, it feels like very good quality. It means it has some kind of covering on the bead, and I think this exact mala, it will for longer time you will be able to use this mala for chanting mantras. Another very important moment, that those mala, you don't need to look for beauty. It's tools to work with your mind, because Japa meditation, it is for chanting mantras in order to calm down our mind. So we don't need to put it like this. We don't need to put it like this. It's not designed for this. It's not the main purpose of those mala. It is to work with our mind. Also, another very important moment, that when we chant mantras with mala, then mala accumulates energy of your practice, and all the time it helps you to repeat your practice. Because of this reason, you don't give your mala to other people. Only you can give mala to the people who are in higher level of spiritual path than you. For example, for teacher, you can give this to hands, but for any other person, don't give this mala, and better don't even show if there is no need. Okay, let's see what we have more. We have also, it's colored in brown color, actually very light. It's like very light and very easy to use. One more moment. I'm not kind of specialist of those of creating those malas, so you will see that they are not super beautiful in the ends, but I just make it strong as possible, that mala would keep longer time for your practice. Okay, so it's also medium size. And one more, it is the biggest one. It has quite big beads, and you can feel bead with every bead. It means you really feel like it's quite big one. So by size, I can put it here. It's just for example. You don't need to wear it like this. So it's really quite big one. For example, small one, I will show you the difference. For example, small one, it's just to measure the size. Yes, it's kind of small one. So, for example, if you need to travel somewhere and take your mala, it is very comfortable. It is very light, very comfortable, and you can chant it whenever it's good for you, whenever you need. And when it is bigger one, so it is more comfortable when you keep it in some kind of stable place, and you take it when you need and chant mantras and use mala together. And I have also one more. There was a very interesting story with them. I was in India, and you know, in India there are many malas like this, but you know, when you take malas, you need to feel that it's comfortable for you. And I was in various India's cities, sacred places, and I was looking for malas, you know, to buy and just to share with people, that people would be able to practice Japa meditation. And only in one place I found the malas that I really liked, and it was in Varanasi, very near Varanasi. It is there are place Sarnath. It is actually very sacred place, because in this place Buddha Shakyamuni, when he became enlightened in Sarnath, it was the first place when he gave his first teaching. So it is also very strong place. Maybe because of that I also found this mala. So this one comes from India. I think it also have impact from some kind of oil, so it should last a little bit longer, and it also have some nice smell. Yes, of course it doesn't matter too much, because this is you know, this is a tool for doing Japa meditation practice, Japa meditation technique, and it is not a tool, you know, for beauty. We don't need to put it like this. We don't need to put it like this. Usually, okay, it is just for practicing. Also, one more important moment. There is 108 beads, and there is one big bead that we call Guru bead. And when we chant mantras, we don't go through this. It means when we chant mantras and we reach this big bead, we turn to different side. We turn back to other side our mala and start going back. I found one very interesting explanation about it, that if person goes through this big Guru bead, then he keeps himself in samsara, circle of life and of births and deaths. And when you turn your mala to the different side and you don't go through Guru bead, then you do not involve yourself into samsara, and you go away from samsara, births and deaths cycle. Yes, that's very beautiful and interesting explanation. So yes, so all those malas, they are for you, for people who practice yoga, for yoga teachers, for people who would like to practice meditation, who would like to calm down their minds, who would like to more control your mind, who would like to feel more calmness inside. So Japa meditation, it is very good technique, and those malas, those mala beats can be very helpful for you. In the description of this video, I will leave a link where you can find explanation how to use mala for meditation practice. I can send those mala to all countries in the world through postal service, and those malas, they are for donation. There are no exact price. Please decide by yourself. I use usual card, like European card from Lithuania, so you can send me quite easily money. So you will need to pay for shipping price and just donation, whatever you feel is good for such tool that can help you to practice Japa meditation. Feel free to contact me, and I will be very happy to send you mala. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time. Feel free to write me a message, and we will talk about it. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.